So the next track in the row is the group track. Let's add one, give it a name, and here we go. And I made a little drawing of what this group track actually does. We have it here, the group track, and you use a group track if you have multiple similar tracks that all need to be processed in the same way. For example, these 3 vocal tracks here, you can sum up, send them into a group track, do some editing here, and then send this out to the output. And this mainly has the advantage of saving computing power actually. So for example, if you would put a reverb and a compressor and an equalizer and a de-esser on all of these tracks, you would have to do it 3 times. Instead, you could route all of these tracks to the group track and put 1 de-esser, 1 compressor, 1 equalizer, 1 reverb, etc. on this sum, and then send it out to the output. So now that we have the group track, we need to route other tracks into it. So if I just press play here, talking, you can press this little, you can see that all the other tracks are doing something, but the group track doesn't. There's no signal here. And as I said, that's because we have not routed anything into this track yet. So let's just do that with this 808 track and my audio track here. So we need to click on it, click this E here, and then in the top bar we can see where this track is going. So right now this goes into the stereo out track, but if we click on it, we can also assign it to the group track. Same goes for the audio track. Click on it, press the E, and assign it to the group track. When we now press play, hear yourself while talking, you can press we can see that there's something happening. And because both of these tracks have been routed into the group track and don't go out into the output anymore, the group track now has full control over both of these tracks. While talking, you can press this little loudspeaker, which is the monitor function. And from here we can just go on and add some effects.